Hello everyone. We are proud to bring in front of you GATE Civil All India rank 92 Shivaram, and further we'll know from him how did he prepare and what is his advice for all of you for your preparation journey. And let's start the call. So congratulations Shiva, first of all, for your amazing GATE rank under 100. So how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very relieved and happy that finally I got a good rank in here.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So tell a little bit about yourself. Where are you from? Where did you study? And how, I mean, what are your plans?
My name is Shivaram Reddy. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. I did my BTech from IIT Kharagpur. I was a 2019 pass out.
Okay.
I wanted to I wanted to go to engineering services at first during my college. That's why I didn't take the job offers which I got in the college. At first I thought to do ESC, and I went to Delhi for a coaching.
Okay.
It was okay. During in 2020 January, they actually removed the railways seats, and because of that, the cutoff went very high. And unluckily, I couldn't qualify. And in the next month, I actually lost the motivation to study for GATE also. And I didn't even actually wrote it. I got 2000 rank, but I didn't actually prepare for the GATE at that time. Then we all know that COVID came and everything happened. It was like a bad year for me. I had to wait one more year for this opportunity. Then in the meanwhile, I thought of preparing for next year engineering services, and this time I thought I'll give GATE very religiously, because for me actually this is the last year, as my family also needs support, right? So I thought I'll write GATE better this time. And 2 months before the GATE, I actually started preparing only for the GATE from December, January, and 2 months.
Okay.
Then actually before these 2 months, I only studied only 2-3 subjects, and remaining all the subjects I left for 6-7 months without studying.
Okay.
So I had to revise them and from scratch. Luckily, which short notes which I prepared during my previous preparation had helped me for some subjects which I thought were difficult for me earlier. Like, let's say I used to feel that soil mechanics was tough or RCC was tough. It was actually just my mental feeling. But when I actually started preparing, I thought this time I will, because we know that in GATE, mostly soil mechanics, environmental, transportation, these topics have higher weightage. So I thought I will focus more on these topics, and I actually studied them from my notes, and I prepared short notes and mostly focused on them. And coming to my weaker subjects, I would say I'm strong in some, but I am somewhat weak in structural analysis. I didn't touch it much. I focused mostly on my stronger areas, like paper to the environmental, highway, and soil. All this. This time I studied them very, revised them very nice. Coming to the actually, as I have very less time now, like one month. Now I need some source to get back all the concepts in the very little time. So test series is the only source that is available. I can't even go to the printed books and of GATE and solve all those manually. So my online test series is only way. I initially took a test series of other coachings. I thought they would be beneficial, but they actually disappointed me. Other coachings, they charge high, but their questions also has a lot of mistakes. Then accidentally one day saw a YouTube notification from AppSide website. They said that they are offering test series, which actually if I had known earlier, it could be better. So luckily, at least I got to know at least 1 month before the exam. It was to my luck, I would say, and I very gratefully took the test series, and it was very actually helpful, and anyone actually can afford it. And I was actually then I took the first test from transportation. The test was so nice that actually I don't ever review any test series or online. Even after the first test itself, I rated the test on the AppSide website. You can actually go and see that review. It was a nice test, and the questions are also amazing. Then similarly, I took a few more subject tests, and around 1 week to 10 days before the exam, I took all the full length tests in AppSide website. It was very nice. It covered almost all the concepts and different formulas, and the questions cover various topics that you guys also ask questions on how to interpret the diagrams, like they ask in GATE exam. It was very nice questions. Concepts. You also ask some random formula, but they are very nice, and sometimes they do ask such questions.
Lately they have started asking little bit unconventional these formulae that they generally didn't ask.
All those actually help, and during this test series, whenever after the test, I used to keep 2 hours, especially for analyzing what mistakes I did and what could have been done. So I used to make a separate document in my laptop in OneNote, where I used to take screenshot of all the mistakes which I did and what I could have done for all the questions. And every day I used to open the document and see what mistakes I have done till now and what could have been done, so that I could avoid those mistakes. And that's how I did my 2 months of preparation.
That's a very important advice for anyone. Like if you're giving tests also, after that you have to keep track of what mistakes you made, what you did right, what you did wrong, and you have to work on that to actually improve. That's a very good point. And what would you suggest people, like they go through a lot of stress during just before 1 or 2 days and on the exam day. So how did you manage with that stress?
Actually, by within 1-2 days of exam, actually you can't do anything. Till now, what you have done, that is what it matters. So if it is 1-2 days before, you don't do anything new. You just look at what, let's say you made a short notes or you made all the mistakes notes. You just go through them. You don't do anything extra. It will only increase your stress if you try to read anything new. And I also actually did the same, and nothing more. Maybe I played chess to relieve any stress. That's it.
That's actually very good. You are not trying to study something new. Some people are like, oh, I missed out there. That will just give you more stress. That's very nice. And so what are your future plans? Like you will be using this score for PSU or MTech? Do you have anything else in mind?
I am planning to use this score for PSUs. For MTech, actually don't have any plans right now.
Okay.
I also thought about MTech during my college, but maybe I don't have interest. So I am thinking of PSUs right now.
Already you were in IIT, so it won't make much sense to go for MTech from here. So what do you think you would like? What is your word of advice for all the students preparing for GATE next year?
Okay. See, if you are new, actually anyone, any new student or even a student from college or 3rd year or 4th year, anyone, or even a pass out, anyone can crack this exam. All you need is you need to cover all the concepts. Not like ESE where you need to mug up the formulas and codes. Here you need the formulas. You need not mug up much. You just need the concepts which you need to be thorough with, and you need a lot of practice,
Yes.
which you obviously get with good test series like AppSet. You need to cover all the concepts from the start and focus on your strengths, and also try to cover your weak subjects and don't neglect them, and cover all the subjects, and that's it.
Okay. So apart from that, what would you suggest us? How can we improve? What all changes would you like to see in our courses and content?
Actually, I like the AppSet Gate series, Gate test series so much that I want you guys to actually start test series for engineering services also. I don't
Yeah.
know if you are interested or not, but I really want you to guys to start.
We'll try for it.
Test series.
Yeah,
For
sure.
engineering services.
Sure, we'll try for it.
Test
So
series is very.
yeah.
And also your YouTube courses are very nice, and your courses are very crisp and nice for quick revision. If you have little time, let's say 3 or 4 months for the exam, they are very useful to cover the syllabus in short time.
Okay, then this is all from our side. I mean, I would suggest you go out, enjoy with your friends and family, and enjoy this day. You have totally earned it, and have your time. After some time, there will be all the applications. And if you have any other problem in your, in application processes, or you want to know further assistance, we'll be available to you.